black cardstock. It's really skinny. Okay. And I like to cut it for this kind of a project. It's neater. But you can tear this tape. It tears beautifully. Sticks well.
It does, very
Okay. Now I'm going to cut it off because I'm going to be working with a filter, and the copy filter will stick to this extra tape. So if I folded it back, I don't want it sticking. This. I'm going to take off the paper backing and leave that over there. And then we'll put these away because I'm not using these.
What are those square ones next to it? Are they?
Those are the new vintage Nouveau drops.
Oh, they're the
new
drops.
They're vintage these. They're a little more expensive and come in an absolutely gorgeous little bottle with it. Look how cute that is.
Yeah.
They know what they were doing because I love vintage and I love tags.
I do too.
Okay. That's the first step. Now we're going to take our stencil and I guess we'll do the tree.
With water?
Yeah,
just
soap.
Water soap.
Yeah, and it comes in this nice little box. Isn't that cute? Look at that.
I have it.
Okay.
And what's that called? The Hawaiian something, isn't it?
It's creamy coconut Hawaiian coconut oil soap, handcrafted in Hawaii. Okay, so now I'm going to take this sticky thing I made, and I make sure this is the side with the soap, and I'm going to put it over, stuck on there, and now I'm going to get a coffee filter to catch my glitter, and we're going to start with one color, and I'm going to start with Purple Rain.
It'd be fun to sit here and do this all day. Show people.
Okay, so dump. You dump it. Margaret says, you can put it back in the bottle, just dump. Don't worry about it. She's my boss. She's the owner. She's a little redhead at the register. Okay. So I use my finger and I burnish it into the sticky surface. You have to have an adhesive with glitter. You cannot use embossing and expect, embossing ink and expect it to stick. It won't work. Okay, also I want to brush off any excess with my brush. I should have done that before I did this. Okay, it works. Okay, now this is clean, so I'm going to go to my next color, which is almost gone, and it's called Campfire. This is a new color. So pretty. It's kind of like a Halloween thing.
That is pretty. Very fall.
Very. Almost looks like a campfire. I really miss the colors. I know the colors got kind of messed up here, right? Because of the weather. It's not quite as colorful.
Yeah.
That's what I heard.
Well, it's pretty early yet for us to have color.
Okay.
In a couple weeks, it'll really be colorful and then gone.
Okay, so now I'm going to use Luau Green. We have lots of greens. Ever so many. Okay.
What date is your birthday?
25th. It's not always on Thanksgiving.
No, mine's the 22nd. That's why I wondered.
Yep.
Because we sometimes have, it's a different day every year, so.
That's right. That's about maybe every 8 years or something it falls on my birthday. Okay. So this still looks green, so I'm going to dump it. But if it was any mixture of colors, I wouldn't save it. Or put it in a jar with mystery colors. All your colors mixed together. Wouldn't that be something? Okay, so now we're going to take this off, and remember we put the soap on the back of the stencil to help us be able to remove this. Okay, so that soap is helping this release. And I'm trying not to touch too much. Better not to touch the sticky areas, because you want to be able to have your black glitter stick to all the tree branches. That's the last step. So we're going to use, that's embossing powder. We don't want that. We want black.
Is that thing a dye or is that, what is that?
This is a stencil. Metal stencil. Alright, this is black ice, opaque glitter. And you know it's glitter by the G. If it says embossing powder, EP, that's embossing powder. We don't want that.
Good thinking.
Yeah, we have a lot of codes. There's actually more than that, so to help you understand all the different things we offer. And I'm going to dump this on. The whole thing.
Over the color?
Yep.
And it
And
doesn't
just-
stick to the color?
Nope, because the colors have already been covered by other glitter,
And it
and it stays there. Yeah.
that fine a glitter.
Yes. We have microfine glitter. They're the white tops. GM is microfine. The black is not. This is just regular glitter.
Wow, that's awesome.
Okay, then use your brush. Get off all the excess.
That really pulls it all together, doesn't it?
It
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It does. I did get my fingers on part of it up here, which that's why the branches aren't, but it was sticking. So.
Wow, that's really, really pretty.
Sparkle and sprinkle.
Gorgeous.
How did you get it?
So here is the piece that I got from Sparkle and Sprinkle, and I'm going to be trying this out soon. I hope that you enjoyed this, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.